I'm here with the gorgeous Pia Muehlenbeck and we're getting her ready for her shoot for Beauty K. And Pia's just been showing me some really cool products that she loves.
Yes.
This is amazing. I've never seen a curling tong shaped like a gun.
I feel very like Tomb Raider. Like
You do. Look
I'm gonna do my hair today.
So how do you use it?
It's actually hot. I should probably be careful with that.
Yeah. Where you point that.
I know. Honestly, I just literally discovered this the other day, and I couldn't walk past it because it was obviously so eye-catching.
Yeah.
And it's just like a normal like curling iron. So there's a cool tip there. That's just like a 32 mil, I think it is. And then you can just grab a piece of hair. Which one have I not done yet?
Yeah. Anything else? Fine one.
I'm too ready. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Just literally grab a piece of hair and then wrap it around.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is, you can relax your arms.
There's none of this business.
Yeah, because then your arms get totally tired.
Sore. Yeah, and I'm always going the wrong way. So
Yeah.
I go back to front, then I burn my forehead, and
Yeah.
I'm just useless.
So this is just like a bit more of a relaxing way to curl your
It's
hair, I
really
guess.
good. And you were just telling me you've got some pieces, some hair extensions in there because
Yes.
you've got like a sort of in between length at the moment.
Yeah, I've got something probably a bit just slightly longer than yours right now, and I had it like this really cool kind of like short lob, I guess, like a pixie kind of cut. And then I decided for the wedding that I was going to grow it out, so now I'm going through a bit of that awkward mid-length
Yes,
phase.
I know all about that. Story of my life.
Yeah.
So what are they called and how do you use them?
Oh, so they're just like Luxie, they're called Luxie, and they're I believe a Canadian company, and they're just they just
all natural
clip in,
hair?
all natural hair,
and
really
did you get them
great
coloured to match your hair colour? Like how did you?
Yeah,
How did
so
you match it?
I get them coloured, or I mix two different colours. So I either literally get like a blonde kind of shade and a brown shade and mix them,
Oh, that's clever.
or sometimes I just colour them.
Who does your hair colour?
Erin at Barney Martin Hair,
Ah.
and I refuse to ever go to anyone
Oh,
else.
really?
Yeah,
Is
I've
that
had like,
good?
she's just so amazing.
It's
I've
really
gone to
nice.
her for years, and she's taken me from like close to black to like
Really?
blonde. I was
Yeah.
blonde, like proper blonde at one stage,
Yeah.
which as it turns out really doesn't suit me
Yeah,
at all.
I'm the same. I can't. I've tried and it just doesn't work.
No, I just ended up being like entirely beige. Like it was like my hair was
All
the
one
same
colour.
color as my skin and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, it didn't work. But yeah, she's incredible.
Okay, and so are they like, how big are they? Do you just clip them in or?
There's like
What's the
a
trick?
whole variety of pieces. So
Yeah.
you've got some like little small ones, and then you've got like some bigger pieces. And I actually, they're just quite like, what I do is I just like pin my hair up, and then
There's music, dog. Amuse me.
Quiet on set.
Didn't you get the memo, guys?
Yeah, so they come in like a pack, and they're just
Yeah.
a variety of kind of pieces.
Yeah.
And then you just got to tease the roots of your hair a little bit, maybe pop a bit of hairspray just so that they have something
Yeah.
to grab onto.
Yeah.
And you just clip them in, and it honestly takes like a couple of minutes.
Well, it looks beautiful.
And suddenly you can fool
You can have
everyone.
this incredible glamazon hair. This has inspired me. I'm gonna redo it. Well, you look gorgeous, and we're gonna go and shoot now.
Yes.
Bye.